Reporting live from Boone, North Carolina, where it's got to be about 20 or 1 degree, something like that. It's cold out here. It's so cold, my chest hairs have frozen in place. But we're here with the youth group, and it's blizzardy weather, and I'm telling you, we're here with the youth group, and we've done some sledding today. Something like this little flexible flyer here to the right here. Excuse me. Sorry, I had a little moment of cold ataxia. This is what we used to sled down this driveway over here to the left. Yeah, and every time I sled, it always makes me look like a Chinaman with the top of it on there. So this snow consistency is pretty powdery, but it's pretty darn cold. I want you to know that. So when we got stuck almost coming in here, we grabbed this shovel, big thing like this, a big old shovel, and it moves a lot of snow, let me tell you. You can get all this stuff and just dump it right on you. It kind of warms you up just a little bit. You know, there's nothing like, you know, they say when you're in the Arctic, you're supposed to grab lots of snow and just bury yourself in it. So that's what I try to do, just to bury myself in all this snow. And then just throw it on your shins, because there's nothing like a good shovel kick to your shins when you're cold. When it's like 1 or 0 or minus 45 like it is now, and you just slam the shovel right on your chin. So sometimes my head gets cold, I like to put a hat on. This is my preferred hat of choice, but I got little stubby cold arms. So you'll probably more see the hat in front of me more than on. This is it, and I'll try to throw it up there. See, I'm gonna